So, you're itching to ditch the 9 to 5 and dive headfirst into the exciting world of real estate. Why Euro? But just how fast can you actually become a licensed realtor? First things first, pre-licensing education, which is mandatory. This involves enrolling in a state-approved real estate course, and the required hours vary significantly by state. Why Euro? We're talking anywhere from 60 to over 180 hours. Dedicate a few hours each day, and you could realistically complete this in a couple of weeks to a month or two. Next up, conquering the real estate exam. Once you've aced your pre-licensing course, it's time to book your state licensing exam. Give yourself ample time to study and practice. Aim to take the exam within a week or two of finishing your course to keep the information fresh. Now, the final stretch: application and background check. After passing your exam, you'll need to apply for your real estate license through your state's real estate commission. This typically involves submitting paperwork, paying fees, and undergoing a background check. This process can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on the state's processing times. So, the bottom line: with focused effort, you can potentially become a licensed realtor in as little as a few weeks, but realistically, expect the whole process to take 1 to 3 months. State regulations are key, so always double-check the specific requirements for your area. And hey, subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks.